What's up, guys? This is B-Side Investing. This is our 100K challenge overview for the past week. Also, what I will cover is two new companies that I'm looking into. I think it's three now. Actually, three. Yeah, sorry. Three companies. So you know how we've been looking into crypto miners. Now I'm gonna focus in this video on crypto exchange, pretty much fiat to cryptocurrency, and the companies that are behind those. So that's due to Coinbase's IPO on Wednesday this week coming up, and I just want to show you some alternatives that we can look into. So yeah, and also I'll go through my portfolio, I think the ups and downs, and a new strategy that I'm going to adopt. And also, I've been recording this several times already. This was supposed to come yesterday. Like, I don't think y'all understand how ridiculous this is. Like, I've recorded this several times already, so this is like, just look at this. See the spikes? Yeah. I don't know why the spikes keep happening, but it's too much. And this video was supposed to be 35 minutes. It came out to 35 minutes. I don't know, like there's some gems in there that hopefully I'll repeat it again, but I don't think I don't think I can go to 35 minutes because obviously the audio issue keeps happening, and unless I change the device that I'm using, I don't see how this could get in better, which most likely I'm going to change the audio equipment, and I'm probably going to have to upgrade it. But you see the struggles that I'm going with. Please, please just be patient with me. I've recorded that several times already, and that's 35-minute video, not the regular 20-minute or 15-minute video that I do. So it's kind of getting ridiculous, honestly. Anyways, okay, so Ethereum right now is sitting at, and it's 9:30 p.m. Oh my, Eastern Standard Time. 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Jeez. Okay. I have to wake up early. Okay, let's get this done. 2100. It's consolidated right now. We're looking at the 30-minute chart. 5-minute chart. Yeah, so you can see it's really consolidated at between 2160. So 2160 and 2100. So which is good. Hopefully this maintains, and then we'll see a spike in Hive. We'll see how it go up, like maybe a few percentage. Let's see. So in Friday we ended up around 2000. So $150 increase. That's about 5 to 6%. So we should see that. And Bitcoin is currently down to like close to 60. Friday we ended at 57.58. So if this holds until 9:30 a.m. Tomorrow, we will see all the crypto Bitcoin miners go up by, I want to say, about 2 to 3%, but most likely it'll go more than that. So yeah, and yeah, the portfolio, actually, let's just get into this one right here. So I've updated the Mara. Now, of course, they haven't released which S19 variant is being released at which time and how many units. So I can't really give you an accurate information on that, on when, what is getting delivered each month and what exahash they'll be having. So this is just an estimate from my calculation. It's not going to be the most accurate, but just keep in mind that part. So we have 2 exahash incoming by Q2. Now, before that, the current hash rate of 1.4, there's been some delays and they haven't really said that it's at 1.4, so that's concerning. And the schedule was for 1.4 Q1, end of Q1. So I don't think we're at 1.4, but I think we're closer to 1 exahash. So that's still pretty good. But regardless of that, Q2, they should be at 2 exahash, 3.5 Q3, 8 exahash, Q4, and then 10.37 by Q1. next year. So that's the target, and the biggest delivery comes in Q4. So you see the heavy numbers right here. We have 24,000 units, 14,000 units, 10,000 units, and yeah, so that's why it's most likely going to be closer to 8.5 actually. Okay, so all right, so that's covered, and with my portfolio, as you can see, with the current prices, my average price that I've bought total shares, I'm up on Hive and Bitfarm, not as much, but with the JHOS I'm currently down -18 because they went down -18 to 20%. So actually they went down more towards -25% total this past week. So that's why I'm in the red right now. Most likely gonna, like I said, on Friday I'm gonna pick up some shares. So it'll look closer to 12 to 15% DJHI, and then 30, like close to 30% on Hive, and then hot 30%, 28% Bitfarms. So that's the spread right now. And yeah, so let's just breeze through it quick. Census down 35%. It's killing us. We bought it at the wrong time. That's totally fine. -14 on Immersion Corp with Census and Immersion. Actually, let me just go through it first. So Bitfarm, we're up 27%, really good, 90 shares. Bingo, 99 shares at 150%, close to 150%, so that's good. TGHI, we're down 24%. Let's see. Hive, close to 100%, so I'm going to sell Hive $400. Hut, we have 80%, and yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move towards companies like Big, Banxa, Galaxy, I think maybe one or a few shares, but it's kind of high already. Mogo, and I'll do Voyager. So I'll add more crypto exchange companies, crypto fintech companies pretty much. So I'll probably sell out on Census and then Immersion, and sell some of Bingo, and sell some of Hive to buy into those companies. I don't know how much I'll be able to buy in, but yeah, so I'll do that. Selling out of these companies, that doesn't mean that I'm less bullish on them. I'm just, with this like challenge video, I'm going to focus more into crypto, the entire total crypto platform trading, the exchange, and then the miners. Okay, so we got that done. So Bitcoin Treasuries is a platform for you. Like, I just glance through it every now and then to see what new miners or like companies that come into. So I just focus more towards US and Canadian companies. Actually, Canadian listed companies, because Galaxy is not a Canadian company; it's a New York-based company. So I think Voyager is also not. Actually, no. Yeah, Voyager is also not a Canadian company, like Canadian-based. I don't think. Voyager Digital. Yeah, it's a New York-based company. Okay, so all right. So the ones that I'm going to talk about is Voyager Digital and Banxa. So Banxa right here, and right. Actually, there was a comment. One guy, I forget. He was talking about companies, actually crypto companies, that also focus into other coins. So there's Bitfarm that does Litecoin. Now we have Hut 8 doing Ethereum as well. So another form of revenue. And then we have Hive, of course, mainly focused on Ethereum. Now, of course, with time, it's going to shift towards like a 50-50 split or maybe more, either way, into Ethereum or Bitcoin. So we have that. And you can go through here with these companies and see which one does it. But most likely it'll be into mining pools. And just like people like you and me just building up their mining rigs, and or private companies doing altcoins. And there are, I want to say majority of them are in Asia, so like Chinese companies. And yeah, I hope that answers your question. So let's see. So right, so Voyager Digital currently at 33, market cap at 4.434. So Voyager Digital, let's go into their website right here. So they have a program right now where you can earn up to 10% interest on your crypto. So they provide like 50 plus digital assets, and it's commission-free trading. And it's literally crypto just made simple. Their trades are really quick. And they have this broker model system that they use. So it's a smart order routing. So Voyager sets a price for, let's say, Bitcoin at $60,000, and you accept it at $60,000, and you buy like however much you can afford, and however much you want to buy, and then Voyager just goes into their like broker network, like exchanges, like Binance, Coinbase, or whatever. So, and then they just find the best deal that they find, and then they eat the profit with the difference. So I want to show you another platform that does that. So Chrono 24 is a watch kind of like market. I think it's the world's, I think it's pretty well known all across. Excuse me. So let's see this Rolex, GMT, Master, Pepsi. So companies, actually brokers, let's just go back one. So if you find people like here, like this, they actually have like handheld pictures and stuff. So these people, like brokers, they take photos, and then obviously they own it, and they have it in stock, and they set the price, and then they just sell it to you once you order it. And then there's other people like brokers like that put stock pictures because they don't own the product, and they'll set the price, and what they'll do is once you accept the price, you buy it before the delivery time that they can like that time difference. So let's say they give you like a 2-week delivery time. So within that time, they'll find within their broker network the best price for that watch. When I say best, I mean for them obviously it's going to be the lowest price, and with whatever the condition you set. So, and then they just eat that difference, and then you get the watch, and that's how that works. So I just wanted to go into a different perspective for once. So okay, and with their interest program, you earn interest on your crypto, and it's in the app. So, and Voyager is currently where'd it go? Okay, well, pretty much they're currently available in the United States, but not in the state of New York. They're kind of going through the compliance and stuff right now. I think they have that statement down here, right here. So they're actually actively working with the regulators to obtain a BIT license to operate in New York and international later this year. So it's going to come to Canada soon and international worldwide. They have to work with the compliance regulation with all the other countries, so you don't have to deal with that. And that's also a good thing with BANXA because they're also regulated internationally. So So you don't have to deal with all the like AML, the anti-money laundering scheme and stuff like that. So yeah. So with their interest rate program, as you can see, it's kind of simple laid out. The highest here is 9% with USDC. USDC is a US dollar coin. So it's pretty much 1-to-1 ratio. So $1 gets you 1 USDC. And so they have a minimum balance of 100 USDC. And you get 9% on that APR. So, and with Bitcoin, it's a 0.01 Bitcoin. And then you earn 6.25%. And Ethereum and so on and on. And Regex is Voyager's own coin. So 500 coin, and you get like 5% on that. So it's pretty neat. Okay, now I don't want to open up too much browsers. So I hope you understood this kind of model right here. It's commission free, very reliable execution. It's 100% commission free, operating with speed, obviously. And let's see. Yeah. So you can just glance through this website right here. Yeah, supported coins 50 plus. So it's a really wide variety of coins available here. So, and let's see. I think that was it for this one. So they currently have they just announced over 1 million verified users, and Coinbase has over 50 plus million verified users. So, and Coinbase is coming out with the IPO on Wednesday at valuation of 100 billion. Now that's obviously that's subject to change, of course. We'll see how it goes, and let's see. So they have an AUM of exceeding 2.4 billion US dollars. And so you can look through the Q1 data. So net deposit have increased month over month. And verified users have also increased. Well, overall, it's increased. And principal value added has increased 800 million, 1.6, 2.5 billion. So what they do is they make percentage on what, like, so the more transactions that happen in their platform, the more they make money. So of course it's not going to be a huge percentage, but it's a low margin profit system that they have. So yeah, so they're currently exceeding 35% during the month of, from February, which is kind of like the verified users it's not that high, but still the trading is pretty high. So you can see if they have 1 million, if they just exceeded 1 million verified users, then here it's around like 700,000 plus. So before that it had like less than 300,000 users. So in 2021 they're really taking off. So also we have to realize with these exchange fintech companies, it doesn't really matter about the the Bitcoin or Ethereum price, because the trade, it's going to happen no matter what, right? People are going to keep exchanging, so they're going to keep making money off that, and they're also going to make money on the Bitcoin they hodl. So yeah. So you can check our website on investorvoyager.com. That's their website. So the other one is Banxa. So it's a plug and play fiat on and off ramp. So pretty much fiat to crypto buying platform. That's pretty much the simplest term as I can put it to. Right. So they're fully compliant with I think domestically and internationally. Let's see. So their payment methods, they have pretty much a lot. In North America, I think if you have MasterCard, Visa, or Interact, you're kind of covered. That's pretty much like 99% of the payment system here. And the partners that they work with is like the big boys, Binance, you can see. So heavy hitters. So they're working with the top companies. Now these with Banxa, it's pretty much the same, but they don't have the interest rate program. They kind of charge fees on each transaction. That's how they make money. And they're a way smaller company. Banxa is an Australian company. So, come on. Right, so Banxa is, let's see. So they just closed their private placement, and 5 days ago they reported a close to 800+% year-on-year increase in March quarter transaction value. So yeah, with the, as you can see, $400 million in 9 months is not that much compared to like Voyager. So Banxa is a much smaller fish than Voyager, and then Voyager is a smaller fish compared to Coinbase, which is kind of like the biggest crypto exchange. So let's see. So in March they did 79 million Australian dollars. So Australian dollars and Canadian dollars are kind of similar. So yeah, and that's up 13% from February and up 696% on the same reporting period on March 28, 2020. Okay, so year over year, they're doing really good. So that's good. And it seems like Q1 of 2021, because of the Bitcoin price and Ethereum price and just the cryptocurrency price in general rising, there's more people interested in owning cryptocurrency and exchanging and trading. So these fintech platforms are obviously doing a lot better, a lot more money, more transactions. So, and if you go into Banxa, let's get into their API. You can go through their, you can just go through their website. It's kind of similar to Voyager, but just smaller. So I don't want to get too much into it because I want to leave some space for you to do research, obviously, because you want to make your own decision. And a good way of doing that is to do your own research, and that'll help you out better. So, okay. So what I'll do is I'll purchase Banxa, Voyager. We got Mogo. I have Banxa, Big Digital as well, and so I'll purchase those 3-4 companies. And I think I forgot about right here. So for the person that is not interested in getting individual stocks and just wants to buy an ETF, Block Holdings is by Amplify ETF. It is a pretty much overall cryptocurrency ETF. So they have MicroStrategy, Galaxy Digital. So it's a mix between fintech companies, miners, trust holding companies. So so they have Marathon Digital. They have Grayscale Bitcoin. They have also Canaan. So Bitcoin mining producers. So kind of covers like the overall market. And chip companies, NVIDIA, another miner production company. So they have Argo, Riot, Mara, Hut, Hive, Bitfarms. They don't have DigiHost yet. So I think that they're gonna most likely have a DigiHost soon. Galaxy Digital, Voyager, PayPal. Okay, so these 5 are top 5. So you can get Block. I've had this like a few weeks in my watch list. I wanted to put this out there, but it's just the right timing. Didn't find the timing. So yeah, that ETF looks really good, and that's what we'll do. Focus more into crypto. It'll be highly volatile, but mid-risk, high return. So we're looking really good on that aspect. So hopefully you will reach. Oh yes, let's focus on 10K first. 10K soon. So, and then we'll go higher. So, yeah. Okay. So for now, Bitcoin's currently at 59.9. Ethereum's at 21.48. So we should be seeing some. If this holds, we should be seeing some good moments tomorrow. So, and please feel free to like and subscribe. And God, this thing went on for 25 minutes. Jesus, holy cow. Okay. Please, with these 3 companies, put them in your watch list and do your research so you understand them better. And be careful when you're investing. Do your research, invest wisely. And what else? I think that was it, right? So I think I covered pretty much all that I wanted to cover. If not, I'll just add on to tomorrow's video. So hopefully the audio is kind of better. I'm doing this like, oh my God, I don't want to say how many times, but it's a lot. So anyways, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.